So if we're placing an image, oh, there's a good one. So we'll put a circle around this. Again, holding down Control to rescale things. Okay, so for something like this, we can grab the circle. And if I imagine a line from the top here across to the right, then I'd need to start drawing my circle around about here so that it will fill that shape. So I'm drawing from here to around about here where we can imagine the edges of that circle will be. So if I go from here, hold down Control, then I should get a reasonable mask of that entire shape. Okay, and again, hold down Shift, select both of them, go to Object, Clip, and Set. Okay, and you can kind of see how you can nicely clip things out. So as you're grabbing images, you might want to see if you've got different patterns in the images that you've made and try and incorporate some of that in your poster work. If you have any questions like this over the weekend, like technical questions, or questions about your poster, you want to show me stuff, try and send it earlier on in the weekend and I'll try and reply, but I can't promise that I will. It might be a silent video because I have the kids in the house, so it might just show you how to do it, but it might not have my voice on it, which is probably fine. Okay. If we want to take an image that we've masked and then release that mask, then under the Object, Clip, and Release, we can release that and it will go back to being the original image. Okay. So you can see we start to end up with this nice kind of layering of different things. There'll be a few other things that we can do within the object menu that would be quite interesting, and I haven't played around with them too much in Inkscape, but if the theory and kind of practice is the same, then we should be able to do some things where we group objects and then mask them. So for instance, if I take a blue rectangle and then draw out another one, and kind of lost the bottom of my Inkscape here, and I'll make this one yellow and then draw another shape and I'll make that one orange. If I take all those and hold down Shift and go to Object and Group, then in theory I should be able to mask that group too. So if I now take a circle and draw over the top of part of that, I can use this circle that I've drawn to clip as well. So you can clip shapes that you've drawn and then grouped into other shapes, which can give quite a nice effect. So if you've got kind of, you want to bring some order back into your things, then using the clipping tool to kind of bring that back in will work quite well. Okay.